In this video, you will learn how to use Bull's power indicator to trade binary options in a profitable way. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn everything and implement everything right after watching this video. So it is similar to Beer's power indicator but a vice versa format. Okay, so in this if you haven't watched my Beer's power indicator video, then I'll make sure to put a link in the description. You can watch it. Okay, and if you want me to make any tutorial related to either you are facing some problem, okay, or some indicators, okay, about some indicators, then you can comment below and suggest me, and I'll make sure to bring that video for you. So now, first thing what you need to do is you need to select the currency pair whichever you want to use. You can select from here. Okay, and if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then I'll give a link in the description from which if you create your account on Pocket Option, then you'll get use deposit bonus. So firstly you select the currency pair and then select this and make sure this candles is selected and M1 time frame. Okay, so that all of these candles are formed in 1 minute time frame. Now another thing you need to do is select the time frame of trading. I would suggest you to go with M1, but you can test on demo account about 3 minute also time frame, trading time frame, okay, and see if it works better for you. But I would suggest you to go with 1 minute trading time frame, that is M1, and then decide the amount that you want to invest, whatever you want to invest at here. Okay, so once you do this much, then let me cross this Bull's power indicator. Now you need to go at here, okay, here, and then click on this Bull's power. Okay, so now you can see there is an arrow, just click on it so that this indicator becomes a little bit widened, and here you can see there is the 0 point. So this is the important level, okay, this 0, as you can see here it is 0. This is the important point. Now Bull's power means whenever the market is going upward at upward direction, that is known to be Bull's market, right? So now this indicator will help you to make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, I would suggest you to avoid trading lower. However, you can trade by clicking on lower also, by seeing if something is happening at here, like if market is falling below this 0 line, at that time you can go with lower, but I would suggest you to avoid that. Okay, so what you need to do in order to trade with Bull's power indicator is, so whenever the market is coming up, okay, this line is coming up and it crosses over this zero level. Here you can see this is the 0 level. If it crosses over this 0 level, then that's the exact point where you can click on higher and make trade. Okay, similarly you can see on any other places, here is the 0 level. So whenever the market has crossed this line, there is the place where you can make trade by clicking on higher. So you will find lots of entry point that will make your trade right for the most of the time. And if you think this video this tutorial added some value to your life, then make sure to like this video. Okay, so now let's see in another place. So here also you can see it is coming up, it crossed the 0 level. This is the place where you can make trade. Here also it crossed the 0 level, that's the place where you can make the trade. As you can see here, most probably your trade would go wrong, but that is the beauty of the indicator doesn't work for the 100% of the time. Okay, that you need to keep in mind. Okay, so as you can see here, this crossed the 0 line. This is the place where you need to make trade by clicking on higher. So most of your trade are going to be right by using this indicator. So I would suggest you to test firstly in the demo account, okay, properly. So net is slow, that's why it is showing this. I think no, this was the closed market, I think. So in this way you can use this Bull's power indicator. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to watch my Beer's power indicator video tutorial. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.